Products are made in a factory. Brands are created in mind.
Now, I would like to ask Pranav sir, what are his views on this quote?
See, brands see, branding is something which people of the organization make. Products तो हर organization बनाता है, but उसको market करना is like the people market actually.
Now, let me ask Sonu sir what his views on this presentation.
Frankly speaking, okay, first I have a question to you. Why you have selected this social media marketing?
Sir, we have selected social media marketing because, like the other topics that we have taken before, it connects with the audience and it's actually imbibed in our day-to-day life. We see the stories on Instagram and the post on Facebook. These kind of things are imbibed in our life without us noticing it. So that is one reason. And other than that, the topic is quite unique, and I felt like we all felt like it's a quite good topic to explore on.
As you said, I also agree. This is one of the very sensitive topics of marketing these days. Right now, when I'm saying sensitive, the reason is social media marketing is the future. It's right now the best marketing strategy any company can have it, right? But the success stories in social media marketing are less than the failure stories. And why is that? Because of the wrong strategy or wrong planning of the social media marketing. So here I after your presentation, few things you have done very good in the presentation. Few points you have raised, like that last that in the conclusion part, the social media, it's important, and the advantages and disadvantages. But overall, if I see, I am not very happy with the complete planning of the presentation what you have created for the social media marketing, because you have missed many things in that, and that confusion only brings lot of challenges in this social media marketing, right? First thing, in the beginning, when you started with the marketing, the definition of marketing you have mentioned is selling, right? Marketing is never selling. Marketing is never selling, and this is the biggest confusion. Many of the people have it, right? So you started with from there. Secondly, when you were talking about the pillars, right, wherein you said strategy first, and then you said planning, and in the planning phase you have added the audiences, right? So that is not the part of that, is the first step of your strategy. First you need to define your audience, then only you can define your strategy. If you don't have the right audience, right, if you don't know your audience, you cannot plan the strategy. Then there is one more point when you have mentioned social media marketing resources, right? In that SEO you were talking about, wherein you said ki manipulation of the keywords. It's not manipulation of the keywords, right? It's to define your product or services with the right set of keywords. If you are not able to define your products or services with the right set of keywords, then you are misleading your consumer, right? So I overall, the presentation part, the creative part, other things are good, but the way social media marketing is being presented, I am not very satisfied with it.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your views. Now, as we move toward the Q&A session, I would like to ask Priya ma'am what are her views on this presentation.
Well, I kind of agree with sir over here that yes, social media is today and probably the immediate future of a lot of brands. Having said that, we are living in uncertain times and we are not too sure like if internet is going to get better or if it's going to get worse for some time, if something is going to come up. In those scenarios, social media is limited to also only places where these services are amazing or people are used to it. So, for example, if I have to give you a product example of, let's say, Dabur, okay, Dabur itself as a brand, is a listed brand in a few countries, yet its main market comes out of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Can you believe it? And they don't have social media presence on that level. People, users, they don't have those kind of things. So what they do is they do very unconventional. I mean, they go the normal old school way. The reason I'm mentioning it over here is because high possibility just how people learned these things, the technologies might just change because the time are very uncertain. So we need to understand that branding and marketing also needs to be looked at from that point of view. Here I felt the presentation was a good balance. I mean, that's what I felt, putting across the pros and the cons and things like that. But I am not too sure. I mean, from the last time, everyone's presentation, why is it going down? The presentation, the presentation skills. I mean, we were giving you professional, contracts here. We were talking about that. And here, the very next day, you guys turn into college students again, right? So if you're going up, either, I would request you to maintain that same thing as well. Because in the end, we all have ideas, amazing ideas, but these presentations are the key to let other people understand your idea and then take it forward from there. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am, for sharing your views.
Now I would like to ask Pradeep sir his views on this presentation.
See, my views resonate with Sonu Saab and Priya ma'am. So, just a question before I could say anything. आप लोगों ने social media strategy tools में सिर्फ blogging क्यों include किया? There are multiple tools and services that we have like YouTube or affiliate marketing or email marketing or advertisement. तो सिर्फ blogging का example क्यों लिया?
I have included that into the mobile apps wala point because mobile apps mein the YouTube, Instagram and Facebook, all of these points come. So it was in that. Blogging was another one.
Instagram mobile app में ठीक है. YouTube, email marketing may not necessarily be in mobile apps, and these are separate. Sorry, your voice is not audible, Deepa.
Now am I audible, sir?
Yeah. आप कुछ बोल रहे थे, and I started off.
It's okay, sir. You can continue. I said it.
So, see, when I talk about the strategies of social media, these things include a separate strategy altogether, and these are separate tools altogether. और हर एक के लिए एक specific person होना जरूरी है. So you can't generalize these topics. Like email marketing, क्या mail जाना चाहिए, किसको mail जाना चाहिए, कितने frequency में mail जाना चाहिए. That is one part. Second thing, if you talk about videos, आपके videos कैसे होने चाहिए, कितना duration पे होना चाहिए, क्या analytics है उसमें. That's another part. So you can't just generalize कि ये सारी चीजें blogging एक topic हो गई और बाकी की चीजें एक हो गई. I mean, and second thing, most of the websites do not even have blog, right? Or they may have blogs only for giving the information, right? Mostly they manage it through their website. Blogging is not the core social media tool, but the other things are. You should have considered that. And second thing, yeah, research is required more on this topic. When you talk about marketing, that's one of the key elements of an organization. Can't be taken so uh, easily, or it must be taken very seriously, and it's a thought through, because that's the department which shows the direction to the organization. Yeah. So that's it from my side about this.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for sharing your thoughts. Now I would like to ask Abhi ma'am her thoughts on this presentation.
Right. Thank you, Salata. One of my first questions to all of you is, what do you think about rebranding? Because a lot of companies, a lot of organizations, they involve themselves in rebranding, and they claim to, increase their business. And they say that, our business has improved, our market sales have improved only just by rebranding. What do you think about that?
Yes, ma'am. So I would like to give an example here because the most I think, because I'm a foodie. So mere liye, when Subway rebranded themselves, when they took down all their previous constructions and they came up with those new constructions everywhere, like literally every city, every mall, and when people again joined to Subway, when they become redirected, the market got redirected. That is when I thought that I actually noticed it for the first time कि अरे हाँ ये rebranding कर रहे हैं. So when I looked into it and I got it that it is actually useful. It is actually good what they did because their sales were going totally down at that time. And the way they picked it up after that, the way they rebranded ki we are doing something else now with the colors and the architecture, everything, the textures that they put in their restaurants. So that is what happened, I think, there. Rebranding definitely worked for them.
If I may.
Okay. Yes.
Yes, so actually, I read in the Economic Times, I suppose, but in 2009, the Satyam Computers का वो सब fraud हो गया and their all shares were absolutely were bankrupt. उनका पूरा market एकदम down हो गया था. So when the company was purchased by, if I'm not mistaken, I think it's Tech Mahindra. So when Tech Mahindra purchased it, they rebranded the entire thing. So now the Satyam Computer ये नाम चला गया है. They are branding it in their own name, and now it's kind of a successful entity. So rebranding is a very good option if your company is already in Gados. Then only it's a good option. Otherwise, unnecessary rebranding is wastage of money.
I would not take that as an example of rebranding, because one company bought another company and then it was merged into it. So
Right.
it may not be a good example of rebranding.
Right. I actually asked this question to give you a little food for thought. Because I actually, first of all, guys, don't get demotivated. As soon as you started getting the feedback from the mentors, I could see that, the little frown come on your face. So that's okay. That's a part of the process, right? You may have been excellent at all the other presentations. So don't feel demotivated, first of all, right? It's absolutely fine. It's good to fail, and it's good to learn from those failures. Very recently, and maybe you've come across this WhatsApp message that came about a person. He was very successful and passed out from one of the best B schools, completed his studies, went on to take up a very big job in the US. He got married to one of the most wonderful girls, had wonderful family, a big 5 BHK house somewhere in the US, and then suddenly the market crashed and everything went haywire. And unfortunately, he had to force himself, he and his himself, to commit suicide. And I don't know if you've heard of a news also today of an actor that happened. I think we've just come to know about it. So it's more important. Sorry.
Pradeep, you are on mute if you're talking something.
So, we need to learn from our failures. And this person, the story that I'm talking about, the story that came on WhatsApp is because this person was not programmed or ready for any kind of failures, which is why it led to this. I don't know if it's a true story or a hypothetical story, but it's more of a WhatsApp message doing the rounds these days. So, first of all, don't get disheartened. That's why I told you that story in short, right? You'll have a lot of opportunities. So I actually asked you this question as more of a food for thought, right? You've already got your feedback from everybody else. I don't really have much to say, except for one thing from the point of view of communication. I think some of you, you were being very, very aggressive while you were speaking because probably you were rushing. Maybe like Ishan, for example, maybe because he started, right? Some of you were, really rushing through the presentation and you were being very, very aggressive. I know marketing and branding has to be aggressive, but हमारा जो बोलना है, it can be a little relaxed. And well, thanks for everything. That's all I have to say. You've already got your feedback from everybody else. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am, for sharing your views.
Can I?
Like,
Yes,
sorry.
yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah, Pradeep, please.
No, I just wanted to say something on a lighter note. चाहे फीडबैक पॉजिटिव मिल रहा हो, नेगेटिव मिल रहा हो, रोहित आपके एक्सप्रेशन चेंज नहीं होते, कांस्टेंट एक ही एक्सप्रेशन रहता है. इट कंफ्यूजेस द मेंटर्स कि आपको फीडबैक दे तो क्या दे. Now your expression changed, but throughout it didn't change. I mean, it was constant thing. Yeah.
Can I now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what Avni said, I want to put a point here regarding the motivation of you all. One thing, you guys has been consistently doing good, right? In this presentation also, you have done a good job, right? Somewhere when you are taking the topics which are hot in the market, right, then the expectations of the audiences or the people increases, and they want to listen to the to very informative or the kind of content which actually gives value to your presentation, right? So that's the reason I said कि this presentation, when we are talking about social media marketing is a very vast subject. As Pradeep said, there are many things which can be done in social media, or there can be very different strategies which can be followed. Now the problem with social media is what? Right now everybody knows that social media can work for their brand, but there are very few people who are actually getting the benefit of it, right? So what is the reason behind it? The reason is the kind of research what we do, the kind of strategy we plan, right? So in that respect, if you would have put in more mediums or more ways of doing the social media campaigns or social media strategies, then it would have been better. Otherwise, you have done a good job, right? Somewhere, as this is something which is very hot, so expectation from our end is also very high, right? And all the people who are here, they are working on social media, they are doing social media, they are a part of that community, or they are a part of that industry. So somewhere they have the complete perception of that thing, right? So you have to come up to that level. So that was little missing.
Thank you. Thank you all the mentors for your views. Now I would like to ask Pranavesh sir, what are his views on this presentation?
Kenneth Blanchard. Have you heard about Ken Blanchard? Anybody? His amazing book. His and Spencer Johnson has an amazing book called Who Moved My Cheese. So Kenneth Blanchard is an author who has said, feedback is a breakfast of the champions. So So what I mean is, guys, you all are champions first of all. हमारी नजरों में winners हो. बचपन में आप लोग ने कभी रेस में पार्टिसिपेट किया?
अभी भी करते हैं सर.
करते हो? अच्छी बात है. लाइफ के रेस में तो हमेशा. बट सब लोग फर्स्ट आते हैं क्या? नहीं ना. कभी कोई पीछे रह जाता है, कभी कोई आगे आता है. कभी किसी की स्ट्रैटेजी काम पे आती है, कभी किसी के माइंड ब्रेन काम पे, और किसी का कुछ काम पे, किसी का फिजिकल स्ट्रेंथ काम पे. लाइकवाइज दिस इज अ रेस. कभी आगे चल सकते हो, कभी पीछे जा सकते हो, राइट? नॉट नेसेसरी एवरी टाइम इज अ गुड वे. Sometime it could be a bad day. Are you all happy all the time 24/7? No, right? Same. Don't be demotivated at all. And I'm sure that you are not taking it in a negative direction or all at all. Feedback is a breakfast of champions is what Ken Blanchard has said. Now another quote I would quote here is, all your unhappy customer is your greatest source of the learning, of your learning. What Bill Gates has said. Any unhappy customer is a great source of learning. So social media marketing is not small. Social media marketing is not a chapter that you open a book, turn out some pages, read it and close it off. No, it is actually vast and a complex construct altogether. As just Sonu sir mentioned it, that it's a complex construct. It is very vast. Research जो था, जो कहते हैं ना हम लोग को open playground है, and dig up as much as you can and you get coal mines out of it. It is that huge coal mine, social media marketing. So आप लोग ने जो निकाला वो मे भी हो सकता है कि 1% और 2% हो, या मे बी 1% भी ना हो. इससे कहीं ज्यादा है, कहीं गुना ज्यादा है. So yes, there was some what do you can say, missing out information or missing out market research out there. If you could have added some more case studies into it, few case studies, तो market comparison को लेकर अगर social media branding में एक ऐसा कोई case study जहां पर कंपैरिजन केस स्टडीज, जैसे कि एक ने फिजिकली अपना ऑर्गेनिकली रीच किया हो बिजनेस को, एक ने 50% सोशल मीडिया, 50% अपना खुद का ऑर्गेनिक रीच करके किया हो, एक ने कंप्लीटली सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग में बिजनेस किया हो. ये अगर तीन का कंपैरिजन अगर आप देते, शायद दिस एंटायर प्रेजेंटेशन वुड हैव बीन स्लाइटली on a takeoff mode. What's this, Sonu sir?
Yes, absolutely. This is what actually, if they would have taken this topic social media and they would have taken some case studies, not only single, at least two case studies.
One,
yes.
Abhi, I'll add you here one story. Okay, one story is basically, this story is I cannot say a very good or a dear friend of mine, but she's a lady who is actually in Andheri, who serves food at her place. उसका दो घर है अंधेरी में. One is her house and one is her kitchen. तो वो जो किचन है वहां पर वो बाहर का हॉल जो है वहां पर वो फूड सर्व करती है. It's a घरगुती this thing. Now what happened? In olden times, when I can say 80s, 90s and now 2000s, तब तक उसके घर में ही लोग आफ्टरनून का टाइम, it was like 12 to 2 to 3 o'clock तक उसके घर में फूड सर्व होता था. Per dish was almost 50 rupees to 60 rupees. That's it. Now 50% she has stopped giving food at her home. 50% she is all online, and it is only delivery hotel. She serves in Swiggy, she serves in Zomato, she serves in Uber Eats and all the stuff, and she serves in all the corporate in the vicinity of Andheri. She has over 1100 dabbas per day using social media strategy. Social media marketing can make or break your brand. unless used wisely. नहीं तो आप सिर्फ अपना कैश और लिक्विड बर्न करता रहोगे और मार्केटिंग से कुछ हासिल नहीं कर पाओगे. Unless there is a good strategy, unless the product is strong, unless the strategy is strong, unless the taste fits into your, there are many factors to it. Social media marketing ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने पैसा डाल दिया और मेरे को धमाके से मेरा प्रोडक्ट ब्रांड बन जाएगा. No, it has so much into it. Unless you don't understand customers, pulse of customers, you can't build your brand and you can't build your marketing products. So thanks to it, and don't worry, downfall थोड़ा सा है, उसको आप लोग एक revival strategy लेके next time I'm sure you will again take off to another altitude altogether. Wish you all the best.
I have something to add here.
Yes.
You guys spoke about social media marketing strategy. I would recommend you to research on Volvo's social media marketing strategy. Without spending a penny, they have achieved big feats in social media marketing. So just Google about that, and I'm sure you will get a very good idea of what social media marketing could be and how big it can be. It's just the strategy that matters. Money doesn't matter there. Yeah. Thank you.
So hereby we come to an end to the third presentation of the fourth genre, branding and marketing. I hope you all enjoyed it.
So here, I Salita and
I Shruti
sign off from the fourth episode of the Battle of Great Minds Season 2, an initiative by L&D Global Mumbai and Connect Talks.
See you guys in the next episode. Till then, stay tuned and keep watching L&D Global Mumbai and Connect Talks.